Prayer. Behold, O Mother of my God, Mary, my only hope, behold at thy feet a miserable sinner who implores thy mercy. Thou art proclaimed and called by the whole Church and by all the faithful the refuge of sinners. Thou then art my refuge, it is thine to save me. Thou knowest how much thy Son desires our salvation. Thou, too, knowest what Jesus Christ suffered to save me. I offer to thee, O my Mother, the sufferings of Jesus, the cold which he endured in the stable, the steps of his long journey into Egypt, his toils, his sweat, the blood that he shed, the torments which caused his death before thy eyes upon the cross. Show thy love for this Son, whilst I, for the love of him, beg thee to aid me. Extend thy hand to a fallen creature, who asks pity of thee. If I were a saint, I would not ask for mercy, but because I am a sinner, I have recourse to thee, who art the Mother of mercies. I know that thy compassionate heart finds consolation in succoring the wretched, when thou canst aid them, and dost not find them obstinate in their sins. Console then today thy own compassionate heart, and console me, for thou hast the chance to save me, a poor wretch condemned to hell, and thou canst aid me, for I will not be obstinate. I place myself in thy hands. Tell me what I must do, and obtain for me strength to do it. I will do all I can to return to a state of grace. I take refuge beneath thy mantle. Jesus Christ wishes me to have recourse to thee, that, for thy glory and his, since thou art his mother, not only his blood, but also thy prayers, may aid me to obtain salvation. He sends me to thee that thou mayest assist me. O Mary, I hasten to thee, and in thee I trust. Thou dost pray for so many others. Pray, and say also one word for me. Say to God that thou desirest my salvation, and God certainly will save me. Tell him that I am thine, and this is all I ask from thee.